a new composition. Change solid color to black, not necessary. Now import both the before and after images and put this on the timeline. Adjust position and scaling of these images. Make sure the face position will be same for both the images. Before image layer should be on the top. Search an effect called linearwipe. Apply the effect on the before image. Click U on the keyboard to open keyframes. Initial value will be 0 and end value will be 100. Here is the animation. Now right click on before layer, layer styles, then click on stroke. Change the stroke color to white and increase the stroke size accordingly. Select keyframe and click F9 for easy ease. Here is the final shot.